Hello students, it is our third video, and in this video we will discuss the different methods of manuring, and also we will discuss the difference between manures and fertilizers. During last class we had discussed the advantages of manure. Today we will discuss further, and in this video we will discuss the natural methods of manuring. There are some natural methods of manuring also, and these are field fallow, crop rotation and mixed cropping. So first of all we will discuss field fallow. What this field fallow is? Actually one way of allowing land to naturally regain the nutrients is to leave it free for one or more seasons, and dead plants, animal and other organic matter that collect on the land are decomposed by microbes. Thus the nutrients are returned to the soil. Second one is crop rotation. So in crop rotation what happens? Each crop actually uses more or some nutrients and less of others, and farmers therefore change their crop in each season so that the soil is not depleted of any particular nutrients. This is called crop rotation. And third is mixed cropping. So in mixed cropping, actually sometimes two or more crops are grown together in the same field. The crops are chosen in such a way that the nutrients needs of one crop are fulfilled by others, like leguminous crops such as pea, soybean or green beans, and the cereal crops like wheat or rice can grow together in the same field for one season. And now we will discuss the manure and fertilizers. Now we will discuss manures and fertilizers. As last day we had discussed manures, definition of manures we had discussed. That is, manures are organic substances obtained from dead plants and animal wastage. You can see last video, in that one we had defined it properly. So these manures however these natural methods alone are not enough to maintain the fertility of the soil, and farmers have to add manures and fertilizers from time to time. So what these manures and fertilizers are? As manures, we had discussed yesterday that manures is decayed organic material obtained from the decomposition of waste product of vegetables and plants and animals wastage, such as cattle dung, urine, human fecal matter and similar organic wastage. So that is manures. And fertilizers, what are fertilizers? So fertilizers, you can say that the fertilizers are human made chemical substances that contain one or more nutrients essential for plant growth. And now we will discuss that the fertilizers, actually the most widely used fertilizers are NPK fertilizers that are rich in nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium salt. And now you can see this image and you can write the differences between fertilizers and manures. That means you will have to write the answer of what are the differences between manures and fertilizers. Thank you.